Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Google Play Store is not opening or launching on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button, and then select the Apps tile, and then select where it says See All Apps. And then go down to the Google Play Store app in here, select that, and then you want to select where it says storage and cache, select the clear cache button, and if you're still having a problem after you've relaunched the app, you may want to consider clearing the storage as well. So by selecting that option, it will delete all the app's data, including your files and settings. Make sure everything's backed up to the cloud. Select delete, and then once you're done, close out of here, relaunch Google Play, and hopefully the issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.